Coro, 15, we'll take that.
Yeah,
So $500.
I think that's the what he said he would take. So
I can't believe how crowded it is. Look at all these people that showed up to this estate sale. The real field temperature right now is 18 below zero. So it's an extreme weather warning, and I'm so surprised to see how many people are here. That's the house. It's a really cute English Tudor in Chester, New Jersey, which is very affluent. This looks like a pretty cute little middle-class house, not a mansion. Let's see what's inside. It looks very well organized, very well.
give it to her later.
Caesar's Palace. I like this. That's $5. We'll take that.
I don't. Yeah, those are good. I like them sugar or sugar. I like the sugar ones, and I like the meat.
This looks like mother of pearl. It is. That is Coro. Coro. 15. We'll take that. What else is here? Michael Kors, some sterling. Let's check some prices. That's just, yeah, $20 for the ring, $50 for the bracelet. There's like a sterling locket, $20. None of this is unique or special enough. Scrap sterling, $5. More scrap sterling. And here, I had to check this. It looked like it could be something. It is not anything. So garnet and pearl. Little tarnished silver tone hoops. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video.
Vintage pins and earrings.
That looks okay. This tortoise, faux tortoise, 1970s. These I thought might be a match to some good Monet, but it's not. So that's a pass. These are fun. These are always nice to pick up. I have enough. I don't need them. And those I was checking to see. I just wanted to know if these are gold, carved bone, or celluloid. Little cheapies, big cheapies. And this is nice. That's a rhodium plating. So this is 1940s. It is missing a stone. That's newer. An incense burner. Is this an incense burner? That is really cool.
Did they have a price on it? Well, let me get Sharon.
Okay. Yeah, I think that's really, really cool.
Looks at me like, hey, Sharon.
Sorry. Yeah, that's about yesterday, and she was so.
Yeah,
So $500.
I think that's the what he said he would take. So I would have.
So so that means they go for more than that. So it's just like a very old.
Yes, there's one.
Antique.
There's a. I think there's something that was on here that's missing. But that's why it's lower.
Oh my
I was
gosh.
told
No
that.
wonder. Well, I feel so like, I feel like I did good. Like, you know what I mean? Like I recognized it. That's great. It's not my department at all. I'm a
Yeah.
jewelry person.
It's an
I
incense
didn't see
burner.
these. Yeah, that's definitely an LED, and then it looks like it unscrews. All right, these are how much? $3? I
Yes.
will definitely see. I'm learning something. I've never seen that before.
Diane.
Pretty blue, flow blue, is that what it's called? Some crystal, some teacups, plates, some Hummel stuff. That's a cool box. Pretty room. I love how the wallpaper matches the curtains. And this umbrella stand is great. That is $40. This is gorgeous. Its condition isn't great though. $50 for that, and also $50 for this set. 24 karat gold demi-tasse and saucer. I love the tray that it's on. Just checking, there's some antiques here. Chester, New Jersey. I love the canister set. How cute is that? To dream of the person you would like to be is to waste the person you are. Very wise. This looks nice. 15. Silver plated. Still pretty. Don't need it. Living room. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. 60. Not bad. Second bedroom. Nothing in here. I love the mural. That's a cool map. Couple of small leather. Nothing really. Main bedroom. The primary bedroom. Heading over to the closet. Vintage. That's a pretty one. This is nice. I don't need it. $5. Necklaces. Faux pearl. Very faux pearl. Plastic, not anything. This, oh, check the clasp. Nope, nothing. Coach. Condition. Can't do it. This is nice. Nice leather. Don't need it. I love this. I have to look that up. This is faux Le Sac. This is not real Le Sac, and it's faded. It used to be black. Now it's sort of brown. This is gorgeous. This is a gorgeous bag. Needs a little bit of leather lotion. I have to look it up. Oh, okay. I have to find that maker. Look at this wedding dress. 1940s era. So this explains the age of some of the things in the house. So I still have to look these up, but look at these amazing vintage 501s I just found. 34-inch inseam, 33 waist. Those are gold. If you don't believe me, look. This and Bloomingdale's. It's made by J. Dussault, and here's just a little wallet, $50. So I'm imagining this purse is a nice thing to pick up. It's gorgeous. There's no way that it isn't good. Look how adorable that little house is. I'm on my way to the bank because it was cash only. And then I will be showing you a vintage jewelry haul, as well as the stuff that I got, because I have a whole bunch of things that came in from the consigner, which are mind-boggling. So they will be
turn right onto State Route 24.
So they will be at the end of this video. Vintage jewelry haul from the consigner, best of the best, as well as everything I got today. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. You are looking at a little fox that decided to groom itself right in front of my back door in the middle of my yard. And then it got sleepy and it decided to take a nap. And it was there so long that I stopped videoing. And if you are still here, comment Fox so I know who you are. Thank you so much for sticking with the video until now. This week's haul and the consignor unboxing haul is coming up right after we finish watching this fox have a snooze. And not to worry, the little fox is totally fine. Here are his little footprints after he woke up from his peaceful slumber and quietly slunk away. I paid $48 for everything at the estate sale, including the jeans and this little watch fob style chain, which you did not see me pick up. It was in a basket where everything was $2 to $5. And I think we all know how valuable the mother of pearl beads are now, especially when they're this big. I think these are the biggest ones I have found to date. And here is the clasp. This is an old Coro clasp. The bag needs leather conditioner. It's absolutely gorgeous. And here these are. This will be a totally fun project for me to figure out. This is what it looks like when you take it apart. And here's where the light goes through. And here's the consignment collection, starting with the rings. All the rings you see here, plus the earrings coming up, are priced to sell fast. First come, first serve. If you see anything you like, the quickest way to get a hold of me is by texting 917-809-7250, or you can email hudsonvintage@me.com. If what you like is still available, I will respond with a link to pay. This one is Art Deco, 10 karat gold, $550, cultured pearl, and ruby. This one is 10 karat gold, natural citrine, not treated amethyst, $600, mid-century modern. This one is 14 karat gold, yag garnet, glows like uranium glass, $500. This one is vintage Australian opal, 14 karat gold, $600. Mystic color shift topaz, 14 karat gold, little diamonds, $600. This one is Art Deco, purple sapphire in a fancy Art Deco barrel cut, diamond accents, 14 karat gold, $400. This one is also Art Deco, $400. That's a glass gemstone and 14 karat gold. This one's 14 karat gold amethyst with diamond halo all around it. Fancy cut amethyst, $550. This is a vintage white diamond ring, large diamonds, 14 karat gold. This is $1,000. And it has the balls on the inside of the band for large knuckles. This one is Victorian Revival, 1940s, Bohemian Garnet, 14 karat gold, $550. Giant Art Deco purple sapphire ring, 10 karat gold, $700. These are circa 1950, 14 karat gold and opal drop earrings. They are $450. These are front closing Victorian 14 karat gold and paste drop earrings. You can see the wire goes around the back to the front and goes through the ring there. That is a Victorian era earring wire, and these are $1,100. These are a bargain. These are large pear cut Australian opals with large diamonds, and these are 14 karat gold, and they are mid-century, and they are $600. These are very heavy Victorian Revival 14 karat gold and garnet drop earrings from the 1940s. These are $900. These are my favorite 14 karat gold Etruscan Revival pear cut garnet and cultured pearl. These have a lot of gold, as you can see, and these are $1,100. This is an authentic Bohemian garnet and gold pin. This is $500. This is a 14 karat white gold and 5 karat total weight 4-piece bridal set. These are bright white diamonds. Here are the earrings with the little drops, and here is the ring. All 4 pieces are $5,000, and you get all 4. The ring, the earrings, the necklace, and the bracelet. Don't forget, I have auctions and sales twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. And I also have the Hudson Vintage Watch Party channel for nightly watch-along videos with the live chat. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. Also, the links are below this video in the description. Don't forget, I have auctions and sales twice a week, Wednesdays and Fridays. And I also have the Hudson Vintage Watch Party channel for nightly watch-along videos with the live chat. Text 917-809-7250 to get free alerts when I go live with an auction or sale, or drop a video. Also, the links are below this video in the description.